Hi, Chef Andy again. Tonight's dinner is a chicken with a Morel cream sauce. I have a nice chicken breast. I cut from the whole chicken. I've seasoned it with salt and pepper. I'm going to fry it in olive oil, skin side down to make it nice and brown. Turn it over, finish it in the oven, nice hot oven. When I bring it out, I'm going to deglaze the pan. I'm going to remove the chicken, deglaze the pan with Morel mushrooms that I've soaked in wine and vinegar, and then hit it with a little bit of heavy cream. Heat it to make it thick and pour it over the top and eat it. I'll show you when I get there. My chicken has been roasted in the oven. It's reached 165 degrees. I pulled it out and I'm resting it. I've taken my mushrooms and deglazed my pan. I've reduced that down. I've added some cream to it. Now I'm bringing it to a simmer and it's thickening with the mushrooms in there. I'm going to pour the sauce over the top and serve it with some mashed potatoes. And here is the pan roasted chicken with Morel cream sauce, and I've made one without cream for my son. That is from the Fustini School of Cooking spring menu. Hope to see you in class soon.